Today we will see one of the simple topic from the developmental biology, that is the types of eggs. Now the types of eggs in the animals are dependent upon the adaptive conditions of the organisms, as well as it is also dependent upon how the development of an organism is taking place. For example, if you see the bird's egg, it contains high amount of yolk. Why? Because the complete development of the bird's embryo takes place inside the egg, and therefore the bird's egg contains high amount of yolk. In contrast, if you see the human egg, it does not contain any kind of yolk, or it contains very little amount of yolk. Why? Because the development of the human embryo takes place inside the mother's womb through the placenta. Therefore, there is no requirement of yolk or no requirement of nourishment must be present inside the egg. So with this brief introduction, we will see the details of types of eggs. Now these types of eggs are classified by two ways. The first one is the amount of yolk inside the egg, and second one is distribution of yolk inside the egg. So first we will see the details of amount of yolk inside the egg, and according to this, how the eggs in the animal kingdom of various animals are classified. According to amount of yolk inside the eggs are classified into four types. The first one is called as alecithal kind of eggs. Now in this case, the word lecithal came from the Greek word which is called as lekithos. Lekithos is a Greek word which means egg yolk. So how much amount of yolk is present inside the egg? According to that, these eggs are classified. Now the first one is alecithal, that is, there is no yolk inside the egg. Now in case of eutherian mammals, which are also called as placental mammals, and most common example of placental mammals is the humans. So the humans contain alecithal kind of eggs which does not contain any amount of yolk inside in it. So this is the diagram for the egg. Now all you know the diagram of the egg. This is the animal pole, this is the vegetal pole, and this is the egg nucleus. Now here very low amount of yolk droplets are shown inside the egg because it is a kind of alecithal eggs. Then the next kind of eggs is the microlecithal eggs. So according to the name, that is the microlecithal, micro, it contains very small or negligible amount of yolk inside it, and as it contains low amount of the yolk, such eggs are also called as oligolecithal eggs. Now such kinds of eggs are present in the organisms of phylum Chordata. First one is the Amphioxus, which is present in the subphylum Cephalochordata, and the second one is the Tunicates, which is present in the subphylum Urochordata. Then the next one is mesolecithal kinds of eggs. In this case, meso is nothing but the moderate amount. So such eggs contain moderate amount of the yolk, and such eggs are present in the amphibians, that is in the toads and frogs, Then they are present in the petromyzon kind of fishes, which are sea lampreys, are present in the order Cyclostomata and in the dipnoid fishes. Dipnoid fishes are nothing but the lung fishes. So here the egg droplets are shown more than the microleucithal eggs because there is some more amount of yolk is present than the microleucithal eggs. Then the next kind of the eggs are called as macroleucithal eggs. So according to the name macroleucithal, they contain large or huge amount of the yolk. As they contain large or huge amount of the yolk, such eggs are also called as polyleucithal or they are also called as megaleucithal eggs. So as they are macroleucithal or polyleucithal or megaleucithal, they contain high or large amount of the yolk. Now in the reptiles, birds, such eggs which contain high amount of yolk are present because in most of the reptiles as well as in the birds, the complete development of an organism takes place inside the egg. So inside the egg, a complete nourishment must be present, and that complete nourishment is present in the form of yolk, and therefore the eggs of reptiles and birds contain high amount of the yolk. As well as such kind of eggs are present in the egg-laying mammals of order Monotremata. One of the example of egg-laying mammals is the duck-billed platypus. These contain the eggs which contain high amount of the yolk, which is called as macroleucithal or polyleucithal or megaleucithal kind of eggs. So here it is a diagram for the macroleucithal eggs. So this diagram shows again animal pole, vegetal pole, egg nucleus, and the complete egg is covered with the yolk. So it contains very high amount of the yolk. Most of the vegetal pole contains the yolk, as well as most of the animal pole is also covered with the yolk, and therefore egg nucleus as well as egg cytoplasm in such kind of egg, it shifted more towards the animal pole, which contains slightly lower amount of yolk than the vegetal pole.